Everyone is outside in the rain. The rain is not keeping anyone in. The outside. Oh my. Welcome back to Pivoting with Purpose. My name is Paula Simon, and in this week's video, it will be the beginning of a series of my visit to Phu Quoc. Phu Quoc is an island in Vietnam. It is off the coast of Cambodia and in the Gulf of Thailand, what is in Vietnam. I discovered it through my usual way of traveling, looking for a hotel, looking for a Hilton hotel in particular, when I saw this Phu Quoc, and I realized it was in Vietnam, so I built the rest of my trip to Vietnam, starting with this hotel. As I said, this is a series because I stayed at 3 different hotels in Phu Quoc. They're all beautiful and unique in its own special way. But this one here, it is in Sunset Town. This town was built by some developers. It have this Mediterranean look. The hotel that I stayed in opened in December 2023. As you walk around, you see other buildings, and not really buildings. Let me see. The buildings are already there, but you could see like the individual merchants, they are remodeling it or making it the way that they want to, but the facade is there. As I said, it got this Mediterranean look, it got the terracotta colors. The buildings have beautiful artwork on it, and it is very, very interesting. I did not even get to see all of it, and I cannot even show you guys all of it because it's but like 3 hours of video and images I have. Anyway, I will be sharing, I think, the best part of it. The hotel was beautiful. I know I keep saying beautiful. I have to look for another word to describe the hotels, but it was really great. And it has that resort-like feel to it. In fact, as you enter it, you enter in like in a courtyard, which was beautiful. They had things like hats, sun hat, which usually you don't find in hotels, and nice handbags. They had a beautiful slippers, which could not fit me, and a magnificent robe, which was nice to have a different uniform for the time being. This area, they have a nightly show, and they have this kissing bridge. They're both like attractions that you have to pay for. But if you were staying at a hotel in Sunset, you have the privilege of seeing it free of charge. But uniquely, in order to get into the attraction, they scan your eyes. When I went to the hotel, as I was checking in, I had to look straight into the camera and they scan your eyes and your face, and that will be your ticket to get in. You will go to this camera and they will record your face for you to get in. I had planned to visit the attraction the night, but the rain started. I went into the beginning of rainy season. The rain was pouring, but everyone was out there, but I don't like getting wet by the rain. And then the receptionist reminded me that my balcony, I have full view of the whole display, which was beautiful with lights and sound. Anyone who went to Sight and Sound in Philadelphia, you'll have a look at their show. They have these great like biblical theme shows. It is wonderful. That reminds me of it. So if you ever went to Sight and Sound in Philadelphia, you will know exactly what I'm speaking about. I was able to look at it from my balcony. And on second thought, to me, the rain was a blessing because I would not have known, and I would have gone there and on the balcony away from the attraction. It was so loud that it was like deafening. At one time, I went into the room, closed the door, and you could still hear it, especially when the fireworks came on. But it was a great trip, great food, excellent staff, everything was great. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it will inspire you to not only visit Phu Quoc, but it will inspire you to travel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification button so YouTube will let you know when a new video is uploaded, and also the new videos that will be coming out in this series. So let's all go to Phu Quoc. Come along, let's go. to use while you're at the resort. They have a hat and a bag. The bag is good. The hat curiously cannot fit on my head. So nice, clear instruction. You know, this here is for overhead. And this one is for the spray here. Sometimes I go to a hotel. For me, I have to do a dry run before, because you just can't figure out what for what, and you end up turning this and the water coming down your head. This is really nice. I like that. For Tuesday morning.
No, because it's too fit.
Yes, that's fine. Thank you. Oh, this is very hard, you said? Okay. Thank you.
And when you're ready for the bus time, you know, because it's too fit.
Yes, that's fine. Thank you.